Hello and welcome to DadBQ. Today we're going to be smoking up some
double cut pork chop
and grilling up some
peaches.
This is a wonderful summertime play on pork chops and applesauce. That sweet and savory pairs very well together. Remember to stay to the end of this episode for a bonus dad joke. Now, are we ready?
Yeah!
More importantly, are you ready? Then let's start cooking! Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Alright, so we got our great double-cut chops from the butcher. What's the first step going to be?
We're going to salt and pepper them.
That's right. Alright, we got these salt and peppered up now. What's the next step?
Put it on the smoker!
Let's do it! Alright, so pork chops are on the smoker. What do we do next?
We're going to slice the peaches and remove the pits.
Wonderful. I'm going to use a knife for this, so why don't you let me do that and I'll call you back over. So, when we are slicing these peaches here, if you look, these peaches have a nice crease, and at the top where the stem is, that's a wonderful place to rest it. So the way that the pit orients is along that crease. So we're just going to place it on top, and then we're going to rock and roll the peach all the way around. And hopefully it just pops right open. And then you remove the pit, and if you got a little extra, chef's secret. Alright, so we cut the peaches, we remove the pits. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little olive oil on top, we're going to brush it, and then we're going to put on some kosher salt.
Yeah.
Now that the peaches are prepared, what are we going to do next?
I swirl them around, put them in a cast iron.
Double cut pork chops and grilled peaches. So we got our pork chop up to 145 degrees internal. We let it rest. We grilled up the peaches. And now, for the best part, let's do our little taste test here. Okay? So cut this along the bone. Beautiful. Okay, you see a nice smoke ring? It's cooked all the way through. Cut this, and oh, it's so juicy. You girls see that pooling right there?
Mm-hmm.
So let me get some helper-sized bites ready to go. That is so good. Okay. Here you go.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's the juicy and very good. This is so good.
Very juicy. The smoke flavor is coming through very well. Would you like to try some peaches as well? Go ahead. Help yourself with that. Nice and tender.
It's so good. It's so good.
Okay. Yep, go ahead. Keep going. All right. Looks like dinner's going to be a hit tonight. That's it for today's episode of DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boop boopy doo, it's DadBQ. The family friendly
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at dadbq.com. Why do you never insult a pig that knows karate? Because you're going to get a pork chop.